Hello and welcome back to another review, and today we'll be looking at the Philips Norelco Multigroomer all-in-one trimmer, and this is the 3000 series, and we're going to get straight into it and look at what you get. This is supposed to be a 13 piece set, and you got your full-size trimmer right there, your detailed trimmer. You got all these guards, and they're different sizes, and so you could probably share different parts of your body or whatever, depending on what you need. But I've used this thing on my head, arms, whatever. I won't go into much detail on that. Then you got your ears and nose trimmer right there. You got a little brush for cleaning off the trimmer. You got your trimmer, your motor, and your charger, and the neat little carrying case. So this thing is supposed to have, I believe, 60 minutes run time, and the main blade is supposed to be self-sharpening, which is pretty cool. And look at that, you can take this thing off and wash it. That's what I love about it. So it's easy to clip on, you pop it off, that's it. And the same goes for these other attachments. And what I love about these trimmers is that they're small, they're compact, you can take them on trips. But I don't like this one in particular. Well, what I don't like about this one in particular is that it doesn't come with the shaver. So I had a 500 series before this, and that one, I guess, was a little bit more pricey, but it came with that shaver. This one's around $20, but I would definitely go ahead and get a 500 series, so you can just get that shaver, if you want to get close and all that, and then have all the stubs. And what I love about these is that the 5000 series, so these things are interchangeable. Yeah, so if you break one of these motors or whatever, and you end up buying something that's similar, 3000, 5000 series or whatever, you can use these parts because they're pretty much similar. But I guess that's about it. I don't know if there's anything else I want to say about this trimmer. I think it's awesome, it's neat for around $20, but if you want to pay an extra $10, $15 or whatever, I would go ahead and get the 5000 series, which comes with the shaver. And these blades, one more thing I want to add is that they claim that this thing is supposed to last for, I guess, up to 2 years. I don't know. So yeah, and one last thing is with these trimmers, you don't want to drop them, because the problem I had with my last trimmer is that I dropped this thing and there are little wires in there that are not soldered on correctly, and if they drop and they vibrate, they might come loose, and that's a different story. So yeah, that's it. Thank you again for staying tuned to my channel. Feel free to subscribe if you want to keep up to date with more reviews or whatever. Until next time.